Hey people, welcome to our channel RH Cluster Moto. And make sure you watch this video till the end so you don't miss the fun part. So let's get started.
example of Hyundai's global design language, sensuous sportiness. With its driver-centric interior design, the all-new i20
born out of the World Rally Championship car, which those genes sort of run down into the i20 itself, giving that really strong, bold character. The exterior of i20 has a really wonderful proportional, wonderful stance. It sits well on its wheels. From any angle, the car looks wide. Overall, though, it has a kind of wedge feeling, which gives it a real dynamic forward. Features, nice volume. And the design goes from light to dark. It's a really young and sporty image.
The all-new i20 was conceptualized with a focus on 4 key parameters: progressive styling, projecting sensuous sportiness; advanced technology enhancing the third space experience; practical interiors for maximizing space and comfort; and powerful performance for the fun to drive experience. In line with Hyundai's modern premium brand direction, the all-new i20 has evolved with its stylish, bold and futuristic design appeal. The unique parametric dual pattern grille, which projects a bold and upmarket look. The LED projector headlamps exudes heightened red-shaped LED taillamps, other head turner, and the connecting chrome strip makes the rear look wide and dazzle with brilliance. Design adds to the sensuous sporty appeal of the all-new i20 craftsmanship. The unique sleek dashboard design is the highlight of the remarkably impressive interiors. It presents a wide and captivating dashboard appeal with soothing blue ambient lights adding to the luxurious cabin experience. The comfortable and spacious cabin of the all-new i20 showcases the mastery of Hyundai designers to offer a perfect balance between practicality and aesthetics while offering class-leading cabin space. The well-cushioned front and rear seats are ergonomically designed to offer excellent legroom and thigh support for the utmost comfort of all the occupants, while the superior shoulder room in the rear ensures maximized sitting comfort, especially during the long journeys. Moreover, the large boot space of 311 liters can comfortably carry your weekend luggage. When it comes to outside visibility, the widened windscreen of the all-new i20 ensures a confident and commanding front. The all-new i20 has taken a step towards future mobility by becoming the first hatchback in India to offer BlueLink connected car technology with 50 connected features, including first in the segment over-the-air map updates. Hello BlueLink, how's the weather? Other key connected car features that Hyundai BlueLink gives access to are remote engine start and AC climate control, remote locking and unlocking of the car, stolen vehicle tracking and immobilization, geofencing and host of other alert services. Moreover, with the target customers highly exposed to digital world, the smartwatch integration with Hyundai Touch electric sunroof with tilt function, smartphone wireless charger with cooling pad, first in India Oxy Boost air purifier for clean and healthy cabin air, and welcome function with auto unfolding ORVMs and puddle lamps, to name a few. At the heart of the interior lies the optically linked infotainment and digital cluster, offering a cockpit-like experience. The state-of-the-art intuitive digital cluster with multi-information TFT screen displays host of information such as individual tire pressure monitoring system, turn-by-turn navigation, and drive-related information such as distance to empty, trip mileage, average fuel consumption, to name a few. The ergonomically positioned 26.03 centimeter advanced HD touchscreen infotainment system comes equipped with onboard navigation and smartphone connectivity through Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Moreover, the unique dual phone Bluetooth connectivity enables you to connect two phone devices for listening to music and calling at the same time. Complementing the advanced infotainment system, the all-new i20 comes with the segment best Bose Premium 7-speaker system, offering an ultimate theater-like acoustic experience. With best in the segment 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, it clocks a lightning-fast performance of 0 to 100 kmph in just 9.9 seconds. The 1.0-liter turbo also comes with a segment-unique 6-speed intelligent manual transmission, which offers the best of both worlds, the fun-to-drive characteristic of manual transmission and hassle-free convenience of an automatic transmission. The Pro-One 1.2 Kappa petrol engine comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. Additionally, it is also available with new and refined intelligent variable auto transmission, delivering 88 PS of power for a smoother ride. 25.2 kmpl of mileage, thus making it India's most fuel efficient 1.5 liter. The body structure comprises of 66% advanced and high strength steel, thus making the entire body shell lighter yet high on rigidity and crashworthiness. Furthermore, 360-degree safety is ensured with application of segment unique features such as 6 airbags, electronic stability control with vehicle stability management, hill start assist control, rear camera with parking sensor display, and host of other safety features. The all-new i20 with its unique 5-year wonder warranty and lowest cost of maintenance ensures customer delight and trust. 2.2 petrol Magna trim is priced at rupees 6.79 lakh. The sports trim at rupees 7.59 lakh. Esta at rupees 8.69 lakh, and the top of the line 1.2 petrol Esta option trim at rupees 9.19 lakh. For auto transmission lovers, the 1.2 petrol also comes with the option of intelligent variable transmission. The sports IVT trim is priced at rupees 8.59 lakh and Esta IVT at rupees 9.69 lakh. The high performance turbo variants come with the standard application of unique IMT transmission. The sports IMT is priced at rupees 8.79 lakh and Esta turbo IMT at rupees 9.89 lakh. For thrill-loving enthusiasts, the turbo engine also comes with the option of 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The Esta DCT is available at a price of rupees 10.66 lakh, and the top-of-the-line Esta option DCT at rupees 11.17 lakh. And finally, for the diesel lovers, we have on offer the most powerful and most fuel efficient 1.5 diesel powertrain. The 1.5 diesel Magna trim is priced at rupees 8.19 lakh, sports at rupees 8.99 lakh, and top of the line 1.5 diesel Esta option trim at rupees 10.5